Hi everyone, welcome to our channel MathTech. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to fix Facebook Friends shortcut bar missing. So to get started, let's open the Facebook application at first. Once you are on the Facebook, make sure you have signed in on your Facebook account and update it so that you can enjoy the latest features on the Facebook. So do you also want to send friend requests to your friends and add them as friends on Facebook, but you don't see any friends shortcut bar on the top of the bar on your screen of Facebook? So to fix this problem, what you need to do is head into the upper right corner three line menu icon. So you need to scroll down and tap on settings and privacy, or else you can also tap on the upper right corner gear icon to get access on the settings page. Tap on it, and once you get access on the settings and privacy page, you need to scroll down, and under preferences there is navigation bar. Simply tap on navigation bar and tap on customize the bar. So on the shortcut bar, there will be the friend request option on the shortcut bar, but on this page, unfortunately, we can see that the friend request option of friend request shortcut bar has been hidden. That's why it has not been available on the shortcut bar. You simply need to tap on the hidden button of the friend request. When you tap on it, there will be the option of pin, auto or hide. Right now it is set on hide, so it is not shown on the navigation bar. Simply you can pin or set on the auto so that the friend request icon can be visible on the shortcut bar. Simply tap on auto and refresh it once. Now when you go back to the same home page of the Facebook, then the friend request shortcut bar will be easily available. Let's check if it worked or not. Let's refresh it and open the Facebook again. So now on the navigation bar, it is easily visible that the friend request shortcut has been appeared on the screen on the top. So I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.